Kinumpirma ni Social Welfare and Development Secretary Rex Gatchalian na walang kontrobersyal na akap o ayuda sa Kaposang Kita program sa ilalim ng panukalang budget sa susunod na taon. Binigyan din niya ng kalihim nang humarap ang kagawaran sa budget hearing sa Senado. Ayon kay Senator Erwin Tulfo, base sa kanyang obserbasyon, tila nagdodoble lang ito sa Assistance to Individuals in Crisis Situation o AICS. Sabi naman ni Senate Committee on Finance Chairperson Sherwin Gatchalian, imbis na akap, pwede naman palakasin na lang ang AICS program.
Biggest item there would be protective services. Under protective services, nandun ho yung una, yung akap na nawala na ho siya. That line item is gone. That's around 26 billion from last year. And then if you look at the assistance to individuals in crisis situation, that also had a decline of around 14 to 15 billion.
Suddenly appeared during the 2024 bicameral conference. Dito medyo hindi ako actually sang-ayon po kasi parang nagdo-double lang po.
We will not allow AKAP to reincarnate in the BICAM. No, that's for sure. Kasi mayroon naman AICS. So we will try to find funds para ma-boost up natin yung AICS at hindi na ulit-ulit pa yung mga programa.